Hi, this is Ken Lau. This is a quick demo of what macro can do. Now, I can easily select this and then it will automatically highlight from this orange line to the blue line and then print it as a PDF file with the name paying to this person, Cha Eugene. Let's click the print button. That's it. So you can see this is a Cha Eugene, right? And I'll go to here and I'll do the same, click, and it printed to Chao Wen Hao, and the PDF file is just named as Chao Wen Hao. Is that fast, or rather you like the slow way? Is just highlight there and then go file and then print. So if you like this solution, do contact me. Right, I will give you a coaching for yourself. Yeah. So thank you.